darlings, welcome to the percent bar graph Edpuzzle quiz. So make sure you have already done your Khan Academy and your Prodigy, or actually Prodigy doesn't even have this. So make sure you've done your school practice. Also, I'm going to do a little bit of a lesson in here because Khan Academy and Prodigy don't have anything for this. So make sure you realize that all your Edpuzzle answers are final and cannot be changed. And of course, you need to have a sheet of scratch paper and something to write with. Go ahead and put the academic integrity statement in the box. All right, we're going to take a look at a couple examples. Like I said, Khan Academy and Prodigy really don't have these. They're kind of a new type of graph. We didn't learn them when I was growing up. And so I want you to notice some things. So across the bottom we have years. Across the side we have percents. And all the bars are the same exact height. They all go to a certain number. What's different about these bars and where it communicates to us is the colors. Some of the colors are taller and some of them are shorter. So for example, they had more wheat in 92 than in 93. You can also look at the purple sections. So you can see they had more oats in 91 than they did in 92. There's even middle sections, and sometimes lots of them. There's barley that's blue. So you can see they had more barley in 1991 than they did in 1992. And they had the least amount of barley in 1994. So here we have another example, a little bit more detail. So we have hardware, software, and service. If you don't know what those are, it doesn't really matter. Notice all the bars are the same height. That's important. And these actually have the numbers inside them, so that's handy. And so you can see that Friday, you have the least amount of service on Friday. And they have the least amount of hardware on Wednesday. To find this middle section, what you need to actually do is you need to take like about 65% minus about 35%. And 65 minus 35 is 30. Now I'm just approximating, okay? So realize that to get this middle section, you have to do this number minus this number. And you can do that with any middle section. To get the top section, you're going to need to do 100 minus whatever this line comes to. So be careful on those. So in a bar graph, every bar must go from 0 to what? Now, this is the example we are going to ask questions about. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for us. Take a good look at it. What season do they sell the most ice cream? What season do they sell the most Coke? Sorry. Sounded like a good idea. All right. During the summer, what percent of their sales are chocolate bars? Then, how many more Cokes do they sell in the spring than in the winter? How many more Cokes do they sell in the spring than in the winter? All right, guys, that's it. Short and sweet. Thank you very much and have a great day.